In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and replace text on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and select where it says Find and Replace. You go ahead and search for whatever words you're looking to locate. And you can replace them with something else down here. If you want to match the case of the word what you're searching, you can check mark that, as well as if you want to remove certain characters or use regular expressions. You can use the next button to locate the next occurrence of that word on the slide. And if you want to replace it, just select the Replace button. If you want to replace all, select Replace All, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.